Many 3D scanners utilize a dual laser scanning system to capture models of objects. The DAVID SLS2 instead utilizes a different type of technology that relies on lighting and a camera system to quickly capture scans at incredible levels of detail. Though this method of scanning technology isn't common among consumer-grade scanners, this device is not only affordable but comparable to enterprise-grade devices. This 3D scanner imaging device is unique from other stationary or portable scanning devices due to its design. It employs structured light technology, which ensures precise scanning in a matter of seconds. Through the use of an industrial camera and video projector mounted to a sliding rail, the unit is able to capture a model within seconds and send it to your computer for immediate editing. This 3D scanner is portable, so you can scan a variety of objects and surfaces. The use of the camera and projector allow for even greater precision scanning, giving you detail down to 0.06 millimeters. The achievable mesh density from this level of definition is more than 1.2 million vertices per scan, and this device is capable of performing a full scan in mere seconds. While it only captures a scan of a single angle, you can create scans from different directions, and utilize the included software to align and fuse the scans into a 360-degree model. This scanner comes with DAVID Pro Edition 3 software, which is capable of editing OBJ, STL and PLI model files that can then be exported to other third-party software for further processing. The software itself is highly flexible and scalable, offering an integrated 3D viewer, so you can quickly review the results of a scan. The software supports other scanners as well, such as laser scanning, and is also compatible with a variety of cameras. DAVID SLS2 offers a unique and detailed approach to capturing 3D models. The use of structured light scanning allows you to capture exceptional detail without a long wait while the scan is processing. Whereas other devices offer a convenient and compact scanning experience, this device excels at achieving incredible levels of detail through record speed scanning.